is corned beef and white rice. That meal is fancy enough, right? But what if we could take it up another notch? What if we can make it better?
Okay, not like a crab cake? No, corned beef cakes. We're gonna serve that with a little rustic avocado remoulade, some corn salsa, some of that little steam stuff that you put in the corned beef. We're gonna deconstruct it and put it on the plate as well. Well, yeah, but what I wanted to do is I wanted to kind of, with this particular dish, prove that like the regular dish could have the potential to cause somebody's girlfriend turn into a junkie. Get our 99-cent stuff. We got that rice. This is kind of like a little bit of jasmine rice. I'm gonna do it this way so it can be really easy that anybody could be able to do it. Let's take some of this rice. I let it come down to room temperature. Now you could get a ring, or you could do like how I probably do it in my hand, or on a table or something like that. But this makes it easier. So what you're creating is a nice little thin bottom layer, and you can press it down. It's okay. Yeah, this is just like how your Grammy would make it. You take the onions and peppers, you saute them down, you add a little bit of tomato paste, and you cook the tomato paste out so it don't be all nasty and acidy. Then you would add the corned beef. You could get a good quality corned beef. You don't have to add water and stuff to it, but you just, I mean, unless you're trying to feed 5,000. All right? So I'm gonna take that. I let this cool as well, so it'll be easier to work with. Gonna take some of our corned beef, and I'll put that in the middle of that. And I'll put that in there. And at this point, and now we get some more of this beautiful jasmine rice. Gonna put that on top and pack it in. So this is kind of what you have going on there. You got a little Sammy, a little sandwich. All right, so I'm gonna take this, crack it in here. That was pretty fast, right? That was so close, but yet so far. A little bit of kosher salt. Get it? Okay. Gonna whisk that up. You know, when I was so much younger, I just used to cook straight until I was finished. Now, you gotta be looking in cupboards. You know, I feel like I'm going through the second stage of denial, because it wasn't there when I was peeping the first time. It's like that all-purpose flour. God, I hope it's flour. Yeah, it's flour. Flour-ish. So what this is a little bit of a complete, like this is like some breadcrumbs. And I put a little bit of flour in the breadcrumbs to give it to some texture. So let's do this. Okay, we're gonna use maybe like a hint of cumin. Just a hint, because cumin is an aphrodisiac. I'll put a little bit of seasoning in there as well. All right, let's take this. We're gonna go slide that off. We're gonna dredge you. Okay. Okay, let's kind of form this up a little bit. Yeah, I'm like that special doctor that people go to make it look so much more voluptuous. No Botox included. Ah! All right. So we stir that up. I'm gonna go ahead and dredge this in there. And once again, give it a little tap tap. And beautiful. Okay, it's not so mad. All right, that's what I'm talking about. So that's frying. And I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. And remember, everything that's in here is already cooked. So this is gonna cook rather quickly. Let's take our crab cake out. Crab cake. I'll take that out. Let's put that there. All right. Here, like how you generally would put the corn in there. So this is basically corn salsa. What I did, I put some, pretending like I was making conch salad, added the corn to it. So instead of having the corn as a side, you have the corn with that all mixed up and everything. Gonna add some orange. And this is kind of to create the flavors in there what we want. Can I squeeze it like this? I probably could, but it's not the same. Watch this. It's very dramatic. See how intense that was? Let's take some cilantro, run the knife through once, because what I want is to get those beautiful little shards in there, them to go into the salsa. Have a little pinch of garlic powder, a hint of that in there. The tiniest hint of that cumin. Get some little Mediterranean flavors in there. I'll take a piece of that gold pepper, put that in there. I want to use my finger, but I might need to pee after this. And that never works out. A hit of black pepper. That's how I get my workout and exercise. And what I found is when you season food up here, it just makes it so much more delicious. It kind of like exfoliates the salt. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna stir that up, toss that up. Just a little bit of this rosemary olive oil. So you take the plate. Now, here's the little avocado thing we talked about earlier. Let's take some of that. What we're gonna do, smear that on the bottom. So basically this is just the same vegetables before we added the at least if we took the corned beef out as if we're gonna make like some kind of a steamed gravy or something like that. Okay, so we're gonna take this now. I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna put that on top of that. Guess you see where we're going with this, right? Mm-hmm. Get some nice little microgreens. Get some, well, I'm gonna add them to the top there. You could put one or two of these little beautiful edible flowers. Put some of the little petals around here. And again, it's just to remind everybody that this stuff is very fresh and very delicious. Go in. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right.
Perfect.
Oh, you like? Mm-hmm. Guess what it is?
I'm hoping it's ceviche.
Oh, no.
No? No?
Not even the same family.
No?
No.
You sure?
Positive.
Think about it really.
It's actually fire engine.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I don't want to.
Yeah, you want
It's
to.
so pretty. I don't know where to start. I don't want to hurt it. Really?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's so pretty though. You sure it's
Go.
fire?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wow. How did you do that?
Huh?
Oh wow.
There's somebody that's gonna be judging. No. Yeah.
Wow. This is really good.
Mm-hmm. I know, right?
Thanks so much.
Why?